It's been a month since I react to this. It's called Extinct Species Vocalization Study 2023 Cenozoic area. So I wonder what they sound like, but the dinosaurs are so underrated as heck. Okay.
Booking.com has all kinds of stays because a laid-back beach house is right for some.
Okay. What do I hear? What do I hear? Okay, what is it? Okay, oh. Okay, that's really interesting. I don't know if it's what? Okay, so it's not. Sound as I have ever seen it. I get it. No. Okay, just calm down a little. Just calm down, okay? What is this? Ow. Okay, wait. Forward member! Why do you feel like this is wrong? I get it. Jesus. Man, these talks are long. Man, I wonder if they will grow. Skip to the next one, please. For what and why not? Oh my god! Ow! Shiver me timbers, what is this? Okay, I got it. Skip. Please, I'm done. Okay, I regret it. Why does it sound like an Cenozoic? Okay. Okay, it stopped. Okay, just do it anyway. Just do your own thing. Terrible. Okay. It's kinda decent, by the way. But what about? Why does it make the shoe bear stork sound? But you know, shoe bears make machine gun sounds like what? Okay, so You'll never know what a shoe bear strike sounds like, but okay, this is okay. So this is the shoe bear strike. This is kind of like that. Like, why won't you just do the other thing? Like,
I got
come
this
on.
wow skin from Olay Body Wash. It's new super serum. Sinks into my skin with...
Okay. This extinct animal is actually underrated. No! It's done? What the heck? Oh no, bro. Oh my goodness. Okay. Hey, stop. Stop it. Next. What? Was that get What? That name is actually similar to the Gigantosaurus, but it's actually the word Pithecus on it. I'm not sure, but I count that once. I don't know about this. Okay, next. Okay, next theory. Think on my stick anyway. But what? Okay, so I wonder what they were extinct. Early, late Pliocene went extinct 95 even 0 years ago. Damn! That's a long ago! Okay, but skip. Hideous, by the way. Super me tempers. How does it sound like this? What? Oh my goodness. Stop, I take that back. Take that back. Just give me a scare sound. This is so outdated. Okay, what's next? Wait, I wonder if that I said that right. I think I can't say that right. No.